Good morning, everybody. So I got up, probably about 45 minutes ago, got out here to make my breakfast. I had a video, but I didn't have no audio. For some reason, I didn't have my mic turned on. So, well, got my breakfast, made some oatmeal. It's two those little packets, brown. One of them was brown sugar, one of them was apple that my wife sent with me. So I got them cooked up, worked really good. Wasn't gonna build no fire this morning because the wind's blowing. And last night it got down pretty cold. It got down to 30s, probably upper 30s. Got pretty cold and the wind was blowing. And my little blanket in there didn't do too good. That's why I got this jacket on. I had it on while I was sleeping. It's just too cold, and it's actually cold right now. The wind has died down a little bit, which is good, but it's still pretty cool out here. So when I'm done eating now, I go ahead and tear my tent down, get it packed up, get everything packed up on the CT125 and head out. Try to rinse this out first with some water. But yeah, I done the cooking and stuff. I can show a little part of it here, but no audio on it. That's just my mistake. It's on right now, the little mic is. I just didn't pay attention to it and didn't have it connected, or forgot to push the little button to connect it to my camera. But oh well, it's all good. My hands are cold. Definitely. I guarantee you it's a lot colder up there on the mountain. I can see the mountain up there and the pine trees on top. And I guarantee it's cold up there. It's a long ways up there. So I'll go ahead and get this stuff packed up and we're going to get on the road. Okay, guys, I got everything packed up and ready to head out. So, got all my Nelson Rigg gear luggage. This stuff is super 100% waterproof. No, this bag ain't. I don't have one to fit this. I mean, I do, but it's actually too big. It's not like a roll bag. That would be nice to have a roll bag longer like this one. But anyway, and my tripod, it actually sticks out of the roll bag. It's too long. It still protects it from getting beat around, but not perfect. Of course, in here I keep my water. In here I keep my first aid and stuff like that. My tent, that tent compacts down and fits in this 10-liter dry roll bag. These are 5-liter roll bags here. So anyhow, we are going to get on the road. Get to moving. That was a nice camp out, really. It got a little cool last night, like I said, but I mean, I wasn't freezing to death or nothing. It wasn't that bad, but I got cool. Let the bike warm up here a minute. Sun is out. It's going to be 78 degrees today here in southern Arizona. I mean, every day in the forecast looks like up there in the 70s to me. I think that's what I saw. But it usually is. We've had a couple cold days where it got 50, upper 50s. It got down to 32 at night. But that's usually about what we get here. Some big old rocks. Nobody came in last night to my campground. I was hoping nobody. I didn't figure anybody would. I was hoping they wouldn't. A lot of times people might come up in here at night, especially being this close to the border. You could have trafficking. You could have, some of these illegals coming across. But didn't notice anything. The only thing I heard was during the daylight when I was up, there was a deer or something walking out through the woods. I heard it crunching in the leaves, and then after I went to bed, I didn't hear nothing but some birds. So, super nice evening. Got my fire put out. Picked up some trash around there. Take home with me. I always try to pick up trash. If you go camping stuff, please pick up your trash. That's going to keep the future of all this stuff for us and for our kids and our grandkids, is by everybody being responsible. Heck, it's warming up nice now. Get out here, especially when you're hitting the sunspots. You can feel that sun. Arizona sun is warm, which is really nice in the winter, because even if it says, you know, if it's going to be in the 50s, 40s and 50s, if that sun's out, which it is every day, unless it's raining, which is rare, it's warm, as long as that sun's shining. It makes a big difference. I got to put my fork oil in these front forks. I got the bushings in there, spacers, and I just need to get some. I got some 15 weight oil I want to put in there. Dump this 10 weight out, or whatever comes in. It's probably 10 weight. So lately, after my surgery, I've been feeling good. Been getting pretty much back to normal now. It hurts some if you pull on something too hard or try lifting something. It feels like it's stretching where the stitches are. But as far as sickness, I feel great. Hopefully, it stays that way. Thank everybody for their prayers, that's for sure. Jesus Christ, He does answer prayers. Go down this road here. Got my map on, but I don't really need the map. I know where I'm at. Out in most of this now. And I've still not been on every one of these trails out here. You think you have, and then you get out and find something you've never seen. There's a deer. There it goes. Across the road. She got him. There's a bunch of deer out here. There's regular whitetail, I think, and then there's a coos whitetail around here, which are smaller. They say they're good eating. I have not deer hunted here yet. I should have this year. I got a freezer now, so I can actually put some meat in the freezer. That's the thing, go get a deer. You're gonna have to have a place to put it. Beautiful morning. I was glad to get to go camping. It's been a while, especially moto camping. I need to take the 300L, go moto camping sometime. I want to go with my son Kevin and my son Scott. What have we got here? Oh, just two ways around here, I guess. Oh, this one may not go nowhere. It's starting to look pretty primitive. There's one thing about the Honda Trail 125, it is the safest little thing, I think. I mean, it's not safe if you get out on a interstate where people are driving fast because it's too slow, but as far as out here, it's so low and low center of gravity, and you put your feet on the ground if you need to, and I've never actually even fell over on this bike yet. Probably will someday, but it'd be pretty hard to. You can just put your feet down. It's easy. Now the 300, it's so tall. You got to watch where you put your feet. when you stop, because you fall over, you set your feet in the hole. It's not fast, but it sure is fun. Well, this road may keep going on. I'm not sure if I've been on this one or not. Surely I have. Oh, it shows on here that it dead ends. I just looked at the map. Right down here by this water tower. Darn the luck. I should have went the other way. Had a choice and took the wrong one. Boom! Big ditch. Should have went the other way. Oh well. Oh, look at all them deer. There's 3 anyway. 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. There's 3 there, 2 there, there's 5. The one is staying there in this little fenced in area. I think she's fenced in and she can't get out. Oh, she can go out that corner, it's open. There she goes, a little fawn. 5 deer, ain't that cool? Oh, there's one actually laying down out there, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. There's another one over there, 6. They're still running around out there. They're not really going that far. Looking at me. Huh. Cool. That's the cool part about getting out early in the morning. And that's when I like to go, is early in the morning. Earlier the better. Especially in the summer. Get out early in the morning, it's cool. Well, I'll head up out here and find some more trails. But anyway, I had fun camping. Hopefully gonna do lots more of that pretty soon. I thank you all for watching the channel. God bless. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.